Factories, warehouses, and busy retail counters face a recurring set of printing problems: unexpected downtime, flaky drivers, and systems that don't play well with older controllers. Modern inkjet or laser models can offer speed and finesse, but they often struggle with carbon impact multi-part forms, continuous paper, or harsh environments. For many operations, the priority is long-term reliability, straightforward connectivity, and predictable maintenance cycles rather than high-resolution color output. The Mettler Toledo P-52RUE is a purpose-built dot matrix unit aimed at continuous printing tasks. It's a monochrome printer that uses an impact printhead and continuous ribbon to reproduce text and graphics across multi-part forms. Key connections include Ethernet and USB for modern connectivity and an RS-232 interface for legacy equipment. Controls are intentionally simple with a push-button controller and support for labels and continuous paper up to 100-sheet input capacity. Built for industrial use, the P-52RUE emphasizes durability. The chassis and print engine are designed to withstand dust, vibration, and continuous duty cycles that would shorten typical inkjet heads or laser assemblies. That robust construction translates to fewer moving parts to service, longer mean time between failures, and a machine that can remain in production for years with routine ribbon changes and minimal interventions for maintenance staff. Connectivity on the P-52RUE covers modern and legacy needs, Ethernet and USB for network setups, and a full RS-232 interface for PLCs or older terminals. That RS-232 port is a crucial advantage when integrating with factory controllers or point-of-sale hardware that expects a serial connection. The result is a printer that can be dropped into mixed environments without costly system changes or complicated driver workarounds. At its heart is a resilient dot matrix print engine tuned for continuous forms and labels. It produces monochrome output at roughly 100 PDDPI with print speeds around 100 and 160 characters per second, suitable for invoices, receipts, and shipping manifests. Paper handling supports labels and continuous media with a maximum input capacity of about 100 sheets, reducing refill frequency during extended runs and keeping throughput steady in busy workflows. The mechanical simplicity and rugged build lower maintenance demands. Dot matrix heads and ribbon systems tolerate continuous use and harsh conditions better than delicate inkjet nozzles or laser fusers that need frequent service. For facilities aiming to maximize uptime, the P-52RUE's lower maintenance cycle and predictable ribbon replacement schedule help keep production moving while minimizing unexpected service calls and spare parts logistics. The RS-232 option is more than tradition. It's practical. Many industrial controllers and older POS terminals rely on serial ports for deterministic communication. By providing a direct serial interface alongside Ethernet and USB, this printer removes a common barrier to migration and allows businesses to retain existing hardware and software workflows while improving print reliability and output consistency. While ribbons must be replaced periodically, they are cheaper than many ink or toner solutions on a per-page basis for high-volume tasks. The P-52RUE's long operational life and consistent output make it an economical choice where continuous printing is the norm. Over time, the total cost of ownership can be lower than frequent replacements of inkjet or laser systems in demanding environments. In manufacturing, the P-52RUE fits tasks like shipping labels, production reports, and machine logs. Its durable engine handles dusty floors and continuous runs, while RS-232 and Ethernet let it communicate with PLCs and MES systems. For plants that still rely on impact printing for carbon copy documentation or straightforward text output, this printer is a reliable workhorse that integrates with existing production lines with minimal disruption. Healthcare environments sometimes require carbon copy records in physical forms. The P-52RUE's multi-part printing capability preserves document integrity across copies, useful for patient forms and insurance paperwork. Its predictable maintenance cycle and monochrome output reduce operational surprises in settings where reliable record keeping is essential, and where color or high-resolution graphics are secondary to consistency. Logistics and retail benefit from continuous labels, receipts, and manifests. The P-52RUE handles continuous paper and labels while offering network and serial connectivity for diverse point-of-sale and warehouse setups. Its capacity for sustained runs and simple push-button operation make it well-suited to shipping desks or kiosks where reliability and minimal training are priorities over mobile printing or color receipts. Strengths are clear: exceptional durability, compatibility with legacy systems via RS-232, dependable multi-part form printing, and low maintenance compared with sensitive inkjet heads or complex laser assemblies. It's cost-effective for high-volume tasks, and its straightforward controls focus on reliability. For operations that value uptime and consistent physical records over color or speed, these are decisive advantages that keep workflows stable. There are trade-offs, print speed, and visual quality lag behind modern inkjet or laser machines, and output is monochrome only. There's no wireless printing, and ribbon replacement is required periodically. It also lacks modern features like duplex scanning or borderless color printing. For offices that need high-resolution color documents, mobile printing, or advanced feature sets, this model won't be a fit. The Mettler Toledo P-52RUE is not designed to compete with consumer inkjets or office laser printers on features or color. It is a purpose-built industrial tool for continuous printing, multi-part forms, and environments that rely on legacy interfaces. For durability, predictable maintenance cycles, RS-232 connectivity, and cost-effective ribbon-based printing matter, the P-52RUE delivers reliable performance and long-term value for the right user. If your operation needs a dependable dot matrix workhorse that integrates with legacy systems and runs continuous forms, consider the P-52RUE as a practical solution. Check detailed specs, compatibility, and warranty information with your supplier. If you found this review helpful, leave a comment with your use case, subscribe for focused printer reviews, and hit the bell to stay informed about industrial printing solutions.